I'm bored.
Are you bored?
Yes.
Seen a superhero flying through the sky, racing where he's needed.
Parents these days are in a constant state of questioning themselves, asking whether they are doing enough for their child's development at an early age or not. So, if you are one amongst those young parents who are more focused on educational learning than toys, then you're watching the right video. And close your eyes. Here is a surprise for you.
Yeah.
So most of you parents might have already heard about STEAM learning for their kids. So STEAM means science, technology, engineering, arts and mathematics. So these days young parents are more focused on STEAM educational learning for their kids, and today I'm going to introduce one such brand who provides and who is more focused on bringing out certain activities for your kids based on STEAM learning. So that brand is called Smartivity, and they are mainly focused on bringing out smart activities for kids whose age is between 3 years to 14 years. So this Smartivity brand has their expansion worldwide, and they have been selected for the best toys in the year 2020 by Time Magazine, the USA, and also they have been awarded for the best STEAM toys in the year 2021 by Newsweek. And you know what, guys? Children over 30 countries are actually learning this fundamental STEAM concept through play using Smartivity. So, this brand Smartivity actually focuses on reducing the screen time for kids, which is like, a savior for mommies out there. So if you are a mommy or if you are a parent who actually wants to reduce the screen time of your kids, then do try out Smartivity. Smartivity encourages learning through play, prepares your child for the practical tomorrow at an early age, practically think and apply their knowledge in their creations, develops the potential of your child, and the last one is to reduce the screen time of your kids. These are these 5 things which Smartivity mainly focuses on. There are actually so many European companies who actually manufacture lot of toys in bulk, but those toys are like mainly focused on the construction part, but they do not develop the STEAM concept in your kids. Like there is no STEAM concept in those toys, whereas Smartivity may you have that STEAM learning concept, and that's something which is actually required for your child's growth. Other toys are made of plastic, right? But whereas Smartivity is made of recycled wood, it is biodegradable and it is also planet friendly. And the second thing is, like, if you consider certain toys using which you can actually build a certain vehicles, or you can simply build blocks. So if you consider those toys, they are like static, they cannot move, you cannot move them. Your child can just construct and bring out the constructional skills, but they cannot use it for any other use. Whereas here Smartivity is mainly focused on STEAM learning. Using their toys, your child will be able to understand and implement their full on creativity and bring out the best. Smartivity is mission oriented, guys. It just brings out your child's creativity and imagination. The toys which are available in the market have the price range from 2500 to 3500 rupees, whereas Smartivity toys price range starts from 399 rupees and goes up to a maximum of 2500 rupees. Now let's talk about the engagement time, which is like really important these days to keep your kids occupied. So if you give any toy to your kid and ask him to play with it, he will hardly spend some 10 to 15 minutes and he'll get bored. Whereas Smartivity's engagement time is really good. It engages and involves the child for 45 minutes to a maximum of 7 hours. And the best thing which I personally liked about Smartivity is that it actually develops parent and child's relationship. So you will be able to spend a lot of time with your child in their learning process, which is actually good. It will lead to a very healthy relationship. Now let's quickly check out what we got from Smartivity. So the first thing which we got is the Smartivity Junior Animals and A to Z. So this contains alphabets, animals, their younger ones, animals and where they live, marine animals related activities. So once you open this box, you will find a note for parents. That is, you can also register through this Smartivity app, which is absolutely free. Link is there in the description box. Do check out. Then there is this instruction or manual booklet using which you can easily arrange the activity board and some sticker sheets, and then we have some flashcards, and these are the activity MDF boards for kids using which you have to play with your kids. Simple. And these are some rubber bands and pointers, and this is the do's and don'ts instruction manual. And then we have some sheets for coloring, and this is the MDF board using which you have to arrange the setup. So finally we are done setting up the board based on the instructions which was there in the manual booklet, and it is very simple to arrange, guys. It hardly took some 3 to 4 minutes for installation. That's it, and it was super easy. If you have older kids, you can do with them, or else you parents can also do. So this comes with matching smaller circle boards and the bigger circle boards, and you can choose one big circle board and one small circle board based on the activities which you do with your kids. Before moving on, please guys subscribe to my channel, and also there's a bell icon. Click on to that icon so that you will receive instant notification whenever I upload any video. A for very good. Now let's go to B. B for this one, ball. Very good. Now where is C? C for very good. Now you turn. तुम्हें टर्न करो. Where have you turned goat? Okay, now G for goat. Where is G? So all you have to do is just follow this instruction booklet and you will be sorted. So it's very easy to follow. Everything is mentioned very clearly and in a very simple words. For instance, this is the animals and where they live in said. So here it is mentioned like how to play. Okay, so in this game you have to match the animals with their homes. So you have to flick the short arrow hand of the spinner. It will stop an animal. So then move the long arrow hand of the spinner to the home of that animal. So it's as simple as that. So you have to check if the answer is right or not. And if in case your child is playing individually, then you can check the answer from this booklet itself. So then flick the short arrow hand again. Repeat till you have matched all the animals with their correct home. So it's very simple, guys, and it's appropriate for kids who are 3 years old. Like from 2.5 to 3 years old ke kids ke liye, this is like apt thing. So yeah, definitely worth a try. Of an elephant is called? The nose of an elephant is called trunk. Oh. Now let's quickly check what is there in the second box which we received for Zohan. So this is Smartivity Junior Preschool Discovery Kit, and this is for kids whose age is 4+. So the previous box is for kids whose age is 3+. So this box has activities related to solar system, flowers, fruits, vegetables, room in house, pollution, parts of the body, etc. So all the details you'll be able to find in the box itself. So you need not worry about it. And let's quickly open the box. So the first thing which is there in the box is these flashcards. This is country flashcards, and then this is the setup board, wooden board, and then we have a note for parents to install the app, and then we have flashcards for solar system, some pointers and rubber bands. Then we have parts of the body flashcard, and this is the peg board using which you have to play the activity game. And then we have instruction or a manual booklet, and all the rules and instructions to play, everything is given in the booklet. And these are the activity sheets using which you have to play the game, and this is the base board. What is that? Wow. Books and? Okay. Rohan, what is the national animal of India? Tiger. Wow. Okay. What is the national flower of India? Lotus. Okay. Bathroom. Bathroom कहाँ है रोहन? तो मैं आपको ग्रीन, मम्मी आपको रेड. ना मम्मी को भी ग्रीन आएगा. बाथरूम में हैंड वॉश. मैं यहाँ मूव कर दूँ. मैं यहाँ मूव कर दूँ. यहाँ मूव कर दूँ. अब तुम्हें नेक्स्ट ये करो. बस कहाँ है? Go back to one step. Bedroom. Go back to one step. One step पे एक बार करो. अब एक बार करो. ऐसा करते हो. Okay, come. बेडरूम. ये अम्मी का ही है. तुम्हारा बेडरूम कहाँ है? नेक्स्ट बेडरूम में क्या रहता है सुनो? स्टडी टेबल. So finally we are done setting up the baseboard, guys, and the sheet which we used is a room tour play. Zohan actually enjoyed playing this game, but he is not aware of the entire concept, like how to move the coins, etc, etc. So if you guys are playing with 4+ years old kids, then it will be easy for you to interact with them and teach them how to play. And the instructions are mentioned in the instruction manual. Do check out how to play the games. It is like very much interesting and fun to play. But Zohan was really enjoying moving the coins and he really loved it. So we are just waiting for him to grow a bit older so that he'll enjoy these activity sheets completely. So guys, we are really happy with these Smartivity kits. They are like really useful. Zohan has actually learned so many things. Previously he was not able to match the things properly, but he is actually excelling in the matching activity. So I'm really happy and satisfied with whatever he is doing and with whatever knowledge he has gained. So he's able to point out the things correctly. Like he's able to say like a lion lives in den, so he points that den correctly, and I just love the way he has gained the knowledge. I love the way he has developed. He has that gained that growth. So I'm really happy and satisfied with the Smartivity. They are like must try for kids. And also, if you parents are really focused and concerned about educational learning for your kids, then please do check out Smartivity. They are the best. Like they have so many varieties, so many ranges. You can choose their products based on your child's age and based on your child's capability and based on your child's interest basically. So do check out, guys. I'll mention the link in the description box. They have lots of offers going on their website. And the happy news is that you guys, the followers, the subscribers of Secret Indian Mama, are getting a special discount coupon which you can redeem at Smartivity. All you have to do is just use my code Naurin20 to get 20% additional discount on the products which you purchase from Smartivity. Isn't this a good news, guys? So what are you guys waiting for? Just go and order Smartivity for your kids right now. Thank you, Smartivity, for introducing your brand to Zohan. He is completely in love with it and he enjoys the learning process. We really love the kits sent by you, hoping to purchase more in future.